How to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add multiple audio in your Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, if you're wondering if you can add multiple audio in your Instagram Reels directly while you're editing for the reel, it's not possible. What you will need to do is use another app. Now you can use whichever app you want. I will be using CapCut. And if you want to see, just check it out if you can add multiple audio. So here, let me select a video and then tap on next. Now this will be my reel. Now let's check if we can add multiple audios. So here, if you go here, you can only select a single audio. So just select whichever you want. And if you want a single audio, that's completely fine. But after you do next, you won't be able to add another audio here. Now here, what we can do is we can go to CapCut and start a new project. Now here you can see, tap on add audio after you've imported a video and started a project. Here you can go here and tap on brand music or sounds. You can check out new musics. Yeah, you can just simply download it and then add it here. So just add the audio you want, and then after a few times you can add a different audio from wherever you want. You can edit it to your liking and then tap on export on the top here to export the video. And then you can come back to your Instagram and then upload it. And that is basically how you can add multiple audio in your Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching guys. That is all.